We didn't ask for this fight, but Canadians are always ready when someone else drops the gloves. So the Americans, they should make no mistake, in trade as in hockey, Canada will win.
Mark Carney has been chosen as Canada's new Prime Minister. Carney secured a decisive victory in the leadership race, winning 86% of the votes cast and defeating former Finance Minister Chrystia Freeland. The contest saw participation from just under 152,000 party members. And now he's all set to replace the outgoing Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. But who is Mark Carney? Carney was born in Fort Smith on March 16, 1965 and was raised in Edmonton, Alberta. Mark Carney, a prominent economist and former central banker, holds a bachelor's degree in economics from Harvard University. A passionate ice hockey player like many Canadians, he served as a backup goalie for Harvard's team during his university years. He went on to earn a master's degree from Oxford University in 1993 and a doctoral degree in 1995. He married British-born Diana and has 4 daughters with her. But do you know that Carney has 3 nation citizenship? Canadian, UK and Irish. However, he intends to eventually retain only Canadian citizenship. Carney is a former Goldman Sachs executive. He worked for 13 years in London, Tokyo, New York and Toronto before being appointed Deputy Governor of the Bank of Canada in 2003. He played a crucial role in guiding Canada through the 2008 global financial crisis, helping it become the first G7 nation to restore its pre-crisis GDP levels. His efforts earned him widespread recognition. He then ran the Bank of England between 2013 and 2020. As he helped Canada navigate the worst impacts of the 2008 financial crisis, he was chosen to become the first non-British person to head the Bank of England since its inception in 1694. Carney has no prior experience in politics. But after leaving the Bank of England in 2020, he started serving as a United Nations Special Envoy for Climate Action and Finance. But do you know how much Carney's net worth is? It's a whopping $6.97 million as of 2025, according to media reports. Well, Carney will remain PM for just 7 months, as the next national elections will be held in Canada in October 2025. However, Carney is expected to trigger an election shortly. Either he will call one or the opposition parties in parliament could force one with a no confidence vote later this month.